Hey AI enthusiasts, ready for a mind-bending journey through the latest AI innovations? From Google's geometry genius to Meta's AI aspirations, we've got the top 10 AI stories that will leave you amazed. Let's dive in. 1. Google DeepMind's AlphaGeometry Olympiad. First up, Google DeepMind's AlphaGeometry is making Pythagoras proud. It's not just solving geometry problems, it's cracking complex puzzles from mathematical Olympiads. With neural networks and symbolic logic, this AI prodigy outperformed math software and even human whizzes, solving 25 out of 30 international mathematical Olympiad problems. Talk about ageometric genius. 2. Zuckerberg's vision. Open AGI at Meta. Next, we have Mark Zuckerberg stirring the AI pot. Meta is merging its AI research teams to chase the dream of artificial general intelligence. And guess what? They plan to open source it. With a fleet of NVIDIA GPUs and visions of AR/VR interaction, Meta's leap into AGI is more than just a tech fantasy. 3. Figure's humanoid robots join BMW. Robots in cars? A match made in heaven. Figure's humanoid robots are gearing up to join BMW's production lines. Focusing on monotonous and risky tasks, these AI-powered bots promise to revolutionize the manufacturing world. It's a glimpse into a future where humans and robots work hand in hand. 4. DermaSensor, AI-powered skin cancer detection. Healthcare alert. DermaSensor's AI device just got the FDA nod for detecting skin cancers. Shining light in skin to analyze patterns, this non-invasive tech boasts a 96% accuracy rate. With its subscription model, it's set to transform early cancer detection, a big win for AI in healthcare. 5. Samsung's AI-infused Galaxy S24. Samsung is upping the smartphone game with its Galaxy S24. Packed with Google's Gemini AI, it offers real-time translation, AI-enhanced photography, and even Google's Circle to Search feature. It's not just a phone, it's an AI powerhouse in your pocket. 6. Meta's Magnet, speedy text-to-audio AI. Listen up, music lovers. Meta's new Magnet technology is here to change the audio game. This text-to-audio AI can create music and sounds at lightning speed. With Magnet, AI's role in audio and music production just got a major upgrade. 7. Microsoft's Copilot Pro, AI-enhanced office apps. Microsoft is taking AI integration to the next level with Copilot Pro. Enhancing office apps with advanced AI capabilities, this premium subscription is a game changer for productivity. But there's a catch: GPT-4 access won't be free round the clock anymore. 8. 1X Technologies consumer robots on the horizon. Norwegian startup 1X Technologies is bringing AI robots to your home. With a hefty investment, their humanoid robots are ready to tackle household chores. It's not just science fiction anymore. Humanoid robots are stepping into our daily lives. 9. ByteDance's MagicVideo V2 pushing AI video limits. ByteDance is raising the bar with MagicVideo V2. This text-to-video generation model is making waves, outperforming rivals with smoother animations and more realistic sequences. Is TikTok's viral video magic the secret ingredient? Perhaps. 10. Rabbit's AI Gadget, the R1. Last but not least, Rabbit's R1 is breaking the AI gadget mold. Teaming up with Perplexity, this $199 device offers live, up-to-date information, challenging the traditional knowledge boundaries. It's like having a pocket-sized AI genius. And that's a wrap on this week's top AI news. Fascinated by these AI innovations? Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of AI wonders. Stay curious and see you in the next video.